Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add ChatGPT on your MS Excel. So it is a really easy process. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Excel file, and now here, as you can see, I'm on the home, and here on the right side here is add-ins option. But if you cannot find this add-in option here, all you have to do is go to insert, and you will find the add-ins here. But my add-ins is on the home, so I have to just click it. And here you can see ChatGPT for Excel Word. But if you cannot find this one, just click Get Ins here and select ChatGPT and enter. And as you can see, there are two options: ChatGPT for Excel Word, ChatGPT for Excel. But we are gonna download the first one. To download it, simply click the Add option here and click Continue. And make sure that you are connected to your internet. Otherwise, it will not add because ChatGPT need internet. And as you can see, the download process is finished, and now you connected ChatGPT to your Excel. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. And if this video does help you, please comment. I will see you guys in the next video.